Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 91 Birch Hills Drive, a spectacular architect-designed mid-century ranch in a nature paradise. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. This home is very special to me, and the reason why, it's been in the Testa family for decades. It's just a wonderful, wonderful property adjacent to Durand Eastman Park, with hiking trails and access to 977 plus acres. Rare, one-of-a-kind property is the ultimate in quality, design, totally updated to perfection, and privacy, with pristine nature all around. This iconic special home has many living areas. This beautiful foyer with higher ceilings, heated tile floors, and transom and window lights making it bright all day. From the foyer, you enter this spectacular great room with custom artwork lighting, skylights, custom Amish cabinetry with a stained gray cherry island, and quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, cozy heat gas fireplace with a black leather granite surround, and a stunning white oak mantel to match the white oak floors. All this with a wall of windows to those impressive Durand Eastman Park views. There's also access to the impressive entertainment-sized brick patio to be at one with nature. This section of the home also features 3 bedrooms, all with white oak floors and 2 updated baths. Just off the great room is this amazing in-law suite with a living area, kitchen wall or prep kitchen with coordinating Amish cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and white oak floors. The wall of windows with park views are just amazing. This area has a full bathroom with heated tile floors, onyx shower, and a custom vanity. The excitement continues upstairs to what I call the treehouse suite, with elevated park views, walk-in closet, and beautiful bath with onyx and glass shower, with a custom vanity and heated tile floors. This home features 2 amazing separate walkout lower levels. This area could be a great exercise room with heated tile floors, a full bath, and a sliding glass door with access to the backyard and park. The other stunning walkout lower level is great with another kitchen wall with custom cherry cabinetry, brick floor, again with access to the lower level brick patio. There is also another activity room and bath on this level. The excellent craftsmanship of this property is evident in all the details. Enjoy 2 entertainment-sized brick patios with nature all around you. Enjoy the great outdoors with a very private gunite swimming pool with amazing park views. The natural landscaping of this property is in tune with the park, featuring redbud and dogwood trees, rhododendrons, azaleas, and pachysandra, complementing this artistic nature environment to be at one with nature. Just off the back patio and backyard, you walk down to this gorgeous hiking trail of Durand Eastman Park on your way to the beach.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
This area has a lot to offer with easy access to Lake Ontario, Irondequoit Bay, Rochester, and all of Monroe County. I had many wonderful years growing up in this family home in this very special location, hiking in the park, going to the beach at Lake Ontario. It is just wonderful, and I hope the next steward of this property will enjoy it as much as I have. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 91 Birch Hills Drive in Irondequoit. This is one of the many special properties offered by Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.